Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video, I will show you how to reset the oil light on a 2013 Ford Focus. This video applies to third generation of Ford Focus, which were made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Okay, so first I will show you the message I'm getting. So if I turn the key to the run position, so I do not start the vehicle, I will get engine oil change due. So in this video, like I said, I will show you how to get rid of this message. You should delete this message once you actually change the oil. That way the timer will reset and you will get notified again when the next oil change is due. Okay, so without starting the vehicle, just keep the key at the run position. You will press the gas pedal and the brake pedal at the same time and keep holding it. Now you'll get a message here, service oil reset in progress. This usually takes between 10 and 20 seconds. So just keep holding the brake pedal and the gas pedal at the same time. Okay, and that's it. Oil reset complete. And this is how you reset the oil change due on a 2013 Ford Focus. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.